Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Goodiebox, and the box as like a whole is lavender with red coloring over it. It is actually very, very cool looking, I have to say. Okay, we're gonna open up the box. Dutch 2021 Beauty Award. Okay, I guess they're winners, I'm not really sure. Goodiebox versus Dutch Beauty. Oh no, actually they've teamed up with them? Hold on, let me just read what this means and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, so they're handing the Goodiebox Award 2021 over in company with the Dutch Beauty Award. So I'm assuming that this is like a cooperative, God, can't even speak. But I think this is like a box where they work together. I don't know. I think it is. Okay, we were supposed to get an extra in this box, and we did. It's not coming out there. The Figs and Rouge is the extra. Sorry, I was distracted by something. See, there's a sticker over that. I'm not really sure what that is all about. And honestly, I don't really care. This is Figs and Rouge. This is the Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream. It looks like this. Whoa, I've put on a jacket that is way too tight. Okay, this particular Hydra Matte Pore Correcting Velvet Cream, you guys will be seeing in a giveaway because I do not like me Figs and Rouge. Their stuff just is way overpriced in my opinion. And this stuff just doesn't work. Okay, guys, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so what to start off with? Let's start off with something small that I love, that I actually have the larger version of, which is the Professional primer from Benefit. And this is what it looks like, and I think this is a staple in many girls' makeup stash, I guess. So the Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer, the store worth is 36 euros and 10 cents for 22 milliliters, and this is 7.5. And like I said, I do have the larger one, and I quite like it myself. Okay, let's move on to something huge from Jorgobe or Jorgobe, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I don't even know where it's from, like, I'm gonna be honest. This is a peel-off mask. It's 100 milliliters, so it's definitely gonna be a full size, like really big, very luxurious looking box. Now let's open the box, because y'all are not here for the box. Y'all are here for the product. So there's multiple in here? What the hell? Okay. There we go. Not looking for the paper right now. This is White Tea Balancing Cream. Okay, so I'm just, oh, it's Danish. I'm gonna just assume that this is like an extra in here. I'm not really sure, but this is what came within the box. And now what is actually in there is the peel-off mask. This is what it looks like, and for some strange reason, I just got a feeling that we already received this item, but I kind of can't remember it, but I don't know, the feeling is there. I don't know. It's a full size. The peel-off mask is worth 26 euros and 90 cents. Okay, moving on to the next big item in here, which is from Nowbay. It's the Detox Illuminating Micellar Water with aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon, and sage. This is what it looks like. Basically, well, basically, no, not basically, it is a micellar water, like I mentioned. Definitely a full size. Yeah, it says so, full size, the Nowbay Illuminating Micellar Water. The store worth is 11 euros. Okay, let's move on to something from Essence. This is the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and this one is waterproof, and honestly, I don't really like waterproof mascara. Like, I'm gonna be honest, do I want to give it away to one of you guys? If so, I can't open it up and look what the brush looks like, but you know what? Thank goodness I don't have to. I'm definitely going to give this sucker away because it's waterproof, and I'm not really into waterproof mascaras. I'm okay with just having one waterproof mascara in my entire collection, and I already have one. So that one, we don't have to know what the brush looks like, because hopefully you guys are able to see that. See, it's right over there. That is what the brush looks like. So my curiosity, you know, is not necessarily intrigued anymore because I can see it. It's a full size and the worth is €3.29, and y'all will be seeing this particular mascara in a giveaway along the way. Okay, we got 2 more items in here, one of which is Mind hand sanitizer, scent geranium. Okay, from Moshi Moshi Mind. This is what it looks like. It's a basic hand sanitizer. Of course, in Corona times, it's good. Let's see, it's a full size and the worth is €11. Who the hell is gonna pay €11 for a simple hand sanitizer? I'm sorry, hand sanitizer, like, I'm not gonna pay more than like $2 or $3 for that. It's more than enough. I'm sorry. I am quite cheap with hand sanitizer because it's a hand sanitizer, like nothing special. Anyway, let's move on to a lip balm. It's moisturizing and repairing from Marie Stella Maris. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that horribly wrong, by the way. This is what it looks like, and it says in really small letters on top, care for water. So I'm just gonna assume it's gonna be water-based. It's a full size, yes, the lip balm is a full size and a whopping €12. Okay guys, box is empty. So let me know, what do you all think about this particular box this month, minus the Figs and Rouge, because we were supposed to receive that last month. So don't, you know, kind of count this one in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I have to say, one of which I'm going to give away, of course, to you all too, but like I said, don't count the Figs and Rouge in. It's okay. I'm really ecstatic about the Professional, of course, but the rest, it's an okay box. It's a decent box, definitely. Am I wowed by the products? No. Honestly not. Let me know in the comment section and down below, what do you guys think about this month's box. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully by that time I have my hair did, because this is